Welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. In this full video, I'll show you how to add support small sticker in your Instagram story. To add this sticker in your story, you have to updated version of Instagram. First of all, launch the App Store on your iPhone. Then go to search and search for Instagram. Instagram has introduced a new sticker for stories. Now from here, update your Instagram app with latest version. If already your app is updated with latest version, then no need to do this. Scrolling down and here you can see that which features are added in new latest version. Also you can read more information about this app. After update with latest version, open the app. Here you can see that the first story is added with new sticker. Now I'll show you how to use this sticker in your story. First of all, tap on your story. Now take a photo from here or select a photo from gallery. After take a photo, tap on sticker icon. Next tap on support small business sticker. Now enter the username which you want to add in your story. This sticker is designed to help support local business during the current situation. This update allows users to shout out business and place in their area. Its aim is to help business which are struggling during the current situation. Here show exactly what the support local business Instagram story sticker is. This is only for to tag a local or smaller business to help promote them. After selected username, tap done. Now tap on sticker to more preview of this sticker. Sticker is also available for username with their post, or you can see only username. After done with all this, share in your story. Now we'll check the sticker in story how it works. So open the story and tap on sticker. Then tap visit profile. And you can directly go the profile which add in the sticker. When people use this sticker, it's create a new story on your home page. It's done.